It's Margarita, and we are taking it back to the clothing brand that I used to call my favorite. Yeah, y'all know some smoke is coming. Bombshell Sportswear.
Something that I see in you. I like that you know it too. The way that you do what you do.
Y'all, I think I gotta drop the bomb on Bombshell. If you follow this channel, you know I have not done a review of Bombshell Sportswear's releases in over a month, and I usually review every week. Why, you ask? Why have I been away so long? Well, because I have not been inspired or intrigued by the newest releases. I think that they're just becoming less and less imaginative and more, for lack of a better word, Amazon-like. The last few releases have looked like things I can find on Amazon. I don't know if they're catering to a wider demographic, although the price point hasn't changed. To me, the quality and uniqueness of the designs, or the elegance even of the designs, has really diminished in my opinion. I do still love the brand, but it's hard. Oh my goodness, it is hard as of late to really buy anything because I have not been pleased with what I've been seeing. That said, today's review is of their newest release, the Chevron legging. So I just got this the other day, and I got them in lucky green. Yes, I'm being petty right now because I'm frustrated. I am so frustrated with Bombshell Sportswear's releases as of yet that I don't know. I don't know what to do. I was really looking forward to these. So green is one of my favorite colors. I love it, love it, love it. And this is like a nice hunter green. It's a dark green, almost like a blackish green. It's the darkest green before you can tell it's green. And I got this in a size medium. For reference, I am 5 feet 3 inches tall, and I am 143 pounds at the time of this recording. So size medium is ideal for me. I used to wear a size small, but I am in the process of bulking. So I had to size up, and I'm happy about that. So the legs of Bombshell's pants usually run small. So if you are someone who has bigger legs, you want to size up. Sadly, there is also a 1-inch differential between the sizes. So if you go up in size, if you have a smaller waist, you're going to have some excess waist if you have to size up to compensate for your leg, which is the problem that I have. But it is what it is. You know, can't win them all. That said, the reason I did not like these is because of the fit and the fabric. So for some reason on Instagram, the models always look pretty good in these. And I consider myself someone who has a pretty decent physique. And these were so horrible on me. Mainly the waistband. The waistband looks, it's like a fupa enhancer. If you are someone who does not have an 8-pack, do not get these pants. This is one of the most unflattering waistbands I have ever seen on a Bombshell Sportswear pant. Even less flattering than the Thrive legging, which I could not wait to send back because that drawstring and that cut of that waistband was terrible. Oh my goodness. Not only that, the chevron print, when you see it in person, it is cute, but it looks like those Amazon leggings that everybody was getting. You know the ones I'm talking about. I can't think of what but yeah, those. You see it. And I was just really hoping for more in the quality. The construction is nice. There is no inner lining. You can actually see the chevron print on the inside, so it's a single layer. There's nothing wrong with, like I said, the construction is fine. I really wish that it had a scrunch butt. So the lack of a scrunch butt to accentuate the cheeks and this horrible waist make it no bueno in my book. Do not buy these unless you have a perfect hourglass shape. By that, I mean you must have a hip to waist ratio that is noticeable. And I mean like a smaller waist and a wider hip. Otherwise, these will look like you are wearing a barrel. You'll look more cylindrical, more round, very Winnie the Pooh-like. So me being someone who does not have protruding hips, this did not work for me. If you have hips, good for you. Yes, but it's like, this is my first purchase from Bombshell in over a month, and I could not wait to get these. I was hoping to love these so much that I get them in the other colors that they offer, because they offer other colors. But alas, that is not the case. Now, I did buy a couple other pair that did work. So I will say that. And if you want to see a review on those, let me know in the comments if you want to know what else I bought. But right now, these Chevron leggings are not giving what I was hoping they would give. If these work for you and you do not have a noticeable hip to waist ratio, please let me know in the comments. Is there something that you do special to style them? Because these were not salvageable for me. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel because we talk about it all. And if you're not following me on Instagram, what are you doing? It's Margarita the Perfumista, just like it is here on YouTube. And until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.
Something that I see in you. I like that you know it too. The way that you do what you do.